In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly enable 3D painting in Cinema 4D. We're keeping this fast and straightforward so you can be painting on your models in minutes. First, switch to the paint layout. This layout rearranges your interface for texture work, giving you dedicated panels for brushes, colors, and layers, plus a viewport that's optimized for painting directly on your 3D model. If your workspace looks different from your modeling layout, that's expected. This layout is designed to put all the painting tools at your fingertips so you don't waste time hunting for them. With the layout ready, head to the toolbar and open the Paint Setup wizard. This is the key to getting everything configured properly without digging through complex menus. In the wizard, select the object you want to paint. The wizard will handle essential tasks like preparing UVs and assigning materials. UVs are basically the way your 3D model is unwrapped into a flat, paintable surface. The default settings are a great starting point if you just want to get going quickly. The wizard will also create or assign a texture map for you, so your brush strokes have a place to live. If you're unsure about texture size, sticking with the default is fine for testing. You can always adjust resolution later if you need more detail. After the wizard finishes, you'll see your object ready for painting with the appropriate materials applied. Now it's time to pick a brush from the tools. Choose something simple to start, like a standard round brush, and select a color from the color picker. The Brush Attributes panel lets you refine size, hardness, and opacity, which can help you block in large areas or add subtle details. Don't worry, this is a non-destructive workflow, and you can undo any stroke as you experiment. Click and paint directly on your model in the 3D view. Rotate and zoom your camera to reach tricky areas, and watch your strokes wrap accurately around the surface thanks to the UVs that were set up for you. If your paint looks jagged or too soft, tweak brush spacing or hardness for a cleaner edge. For cleaner organization, consider using layers in the paint tools so you can adjust or hide certain details without affecting others. And if you ever see seams, slightly blur or overlap strokes across edges to blend them smoothly, that's all you need to start painting in 3D right inside Cinema 4D. Open the paint layout, run the Paint Setup wizard with default settings, pick a brush and paint directly on your model. Have fun creating.